I can't believe how fortunate I was after so long to find the Funky Shack, find Mel, Adrian, the whole gang of builders. And Mel's design, she came up with the most incredible design. First time off. It's large, it's spacious. For a little shack, it's really, really spacious. One thing that absolutely made me go with the Funky Shack is that everything, absolutely everything, was taken care of. We didn't have to worry about the council and all the vegetation protection orders and the fire order and everything else. All of that was included. We've lived in this area, in this spot for many years now, and Mel has managed to capture everything of what we love, the whole hillside, our being outdoors, with a design that just fits in and it snugs right in. I love it, just love it. The feel of it is magical.